What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Look at this nice and beautiful question on the board that we're going to be solving. And the question says, find the value of x for which 3 to the x times 3 to the x times 3 to the x is equal to 36. Well, our first step will be for us to apply the property of indices, which says, for example, when I have a to the m times a to the n, as long as the bases are equal, I'm going to pick one, a, and add the powers, so m plus n. So I'm going to be applying this property of indices to what I have here. Now I have this base, and this base to be equal, so I'm going to be picking one of them, 3, and I'll be adding the powers. So x plus x plus x. And this is equal to 36. So this simplifies into 3 to the x plus x plus x gives 3x equal to 36. Now, since the exponent is the unknown, our next step will be for us to take the log of both sides. So I'm going to be taking the log of the left, which is log 3 to the 3x, equal to, I'll also take the log of the right, which is log 36. Our next step will be for us to apply another property of logarithm, which says, for example, if I have log a to the m, this can be written as m log a. So let's apply this property to what we have on the left hand side. So this expression now becomes 3x log 3, just like this, equal to log 36, log 36. Our next step will be for us to divide both sides by 3 log 3 in order to get the value for x. So I'll divide the left hand side by 3 log 3. I'll also divide the right hand side by log 3 log 3. Now notice that 3 can cancel off. Log 3 can also cancel off from the left hand side, leaving behind x to be equal to log 36 all over 3 log 3. Well, we can't just leave our answer like this because this looks complex. All we have to do is to simplify further. For example, 36 can be written as, this becomes log 36 is 9 times 4 all over 3 log 3. Now, from the numerator, we have log 9 times 4. And this is a property of logarithm which says, for example, when I have log A times B, this can be written as log A plus log B. So let's apply this property of logarithm to what we have on the numerator. So x now becomes, this property becomes log 9 plus log 4 all over the denominator, which is 3 log 3. Let's move forward on the next slide. Our next step will be for us to split the fraction. So we have x to be equal to log 9. So log 9 all over 3 log 3. So 3 log 3 plus log 4 all over 3 log 3. Our next step will be for us to write 9 in terms of base 3 and write 4 in terms of base 2. So this becomes x equal to log 9 is same as 3 squared all over denominator 3 log 3 plus log 4 is same as log 2 squared because 2 squared is 4 all over 3 log 3. Now let's apply the property of logarithm once again. You know, the one I wrote that says, for example, when I have log a to the m, this is same as m log a. Let's apply this to what we have here and here. So that x now becomes, for this, I have 2 log 3 all over the denominator, 3 log 3. Plus, for here, I have 2 log 2 all over the denominator, which is 3 log 3. Now notice that log 3 can cancel off log 3, leaving behind 2 over 3. So this becomes x equal to 2 over 3 plus 2 log 2 all over 3 log 3. Our next step would be for us to apply the property of change of base. For example, if I have log a all over log b, this can be written as log a base b. So let's express this like this so that we have x to be equal to 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 log. Now this becomes log 2 base 3. So I've been able to express what I have here like this to get this. And this is our final answer. So let's check. Recall that the question says 3 to the x times 3 to the x times 3 to the x is equal to 36. Let's see if we're going to be having 36. Now remember that this is 3, 3, 3, so the bases are equal. So I can take one of the 3 and add the powers. So x plus x plus x is what? It is 3x. Would this be equal to 36? Now let's substitute our answer here. So this is 3 to the 3 times x. The value for x we have is 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 log 2 base 3, right? Cool. Will this be equal to 36? Now let's factor out 2 over 3 from the exponent. So we have 3 to the 3. Now factor out 2 over 3. I have times 2 over 3. Now 2 over 3 divided by 2 over 3 is 1 plus, now 2 over 3 log 2 base 3 divide by 2 over 3, I'll have log 2 base 3. Good. Will this be equal to 36? Now watch. Remember, from indices, powers multiply. So 3 times 2 over 3, the 3 will cancel off, leaving behind 3 to the 2 times 1 plus log 2 base 3. Good. Will this be equal to 36? Now I'm going to be applying the property of logarithm, which says that, for example, when I have log a base a, as long as the number and the base are equal, this is equal to 1. That means in place of this 1, I can write log 3 base 3. So this becomes 3 squared times, in place of 1, I write log 3 base 3 plus log 2 base 3. So log 2 base 3. So the reason why I chose log 3 base 3 is so that the bases will be the same. With this be equal to 36. Now we're going to be applying the property of logarithm once more, which says, for example, when I have log A plus log B, this is equal to log A times B, which is equal to log AB, because A times B gives AB. Now let's apply this here. So this becomes 3 to the 2 times, I'm going to be taking one of the log, so log base 3. Now the numbers multiply, which is 3 times 2. Would this be equal to 36? All right, so this becomes 3 to the 2 times log 3 times 2, that's 6 base 3. Would this be equal to 36? Now there's a property of logarithm which says, for example, when I have m log a, this can be written as log a to the m. So let's write this like this. So we're going to be having 3, this becomes log 6 squared base 3. That's it. Would this be equal to 36? Now there is yet another property of logarithm which says when I have a, which is a base, to the log b base a, this is equal to b. That means when this base and this base are the same, we pick the number. So look at this base and this base are the same. Now we pick the number, which is 6 squared. And we know that 6 squared is what? 36. And this is actually equal to the right hand side. So our answer is correct. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.